Hello everybody, I am Seth. I am very excited because Nightwatch version 3 has just come out. So I am going to jump in and go through their installer, which is really cool. Way improved over what you had to go through to install it on version 2. So we're going to jump into that and install Nightwatch. Cool, like the new Nightwatch just has a ton of stuff. So much stuff. It's like gonna take me forever to share and like go through all these. It's gonna be impossible for me to do everything that Nightwatch can do. Just way too much stuff, like API testing, like unit testing, test doubles. It's just crazy stuff they just shoved in here in like a short period of time. So let's just take a breath and I'm going to go here to the getting started. So installing Nightwatch, they have this cool thing, this npm init Nightwatch, and then you put in the directory that you want. So let's go through this. I did it yesterday and it's really fun. Way better than what it used to be. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna flip over here to my terminal. Got a directory where I do my YouTube demos. So let's see, npm init Nightwatch, and let's see, call this first install. Why not? First dash install. Let's see what happens here. Oh, there we go. So well, y'all can see this. You get to choose what type of testing. They got all this cool stuff. I haven't played with component testing at all. I worked at a company that they did mobile app testing, but I never played with it. So apparently it integrates with Appium as well. So you can like do iOS or Android testing. But for now, I'm going to stick with what I know, which is end-to-end testing. So let's see, press space to select, A to toggle all. Oh wow, you can do them all? That's cool. Invert selection, interpret. Man, they put a lot in here. So I can actually choose to do all of this development, all in one thing. I'm just gonna do end-to-end testing and see what we get. All right, so end-to-end testing. Ooh. Oh, you can even do Cucumber. Oh, and do some behavior-driven testing. Nice. That is very cool. Let me just kind of move this up a little bit here. So, this is too cool. I'm going to choose TypeScript. I'm learning TypeScript right now. Not good at it, but I do enjoy that it helps you catch bugs in your code a lot faster. So TypeScript, let's do it. And wow, you can select all the browsers here. I think I'm just going to do, actually I'll do Chrome and space Firefox. Why not? Get those two. And enter a source folder, and it already defaults to test right there. Cool. And the base URL. Let's see. There is a DemoBlaze project. I'll just put DemoBlaze. See, demoblaze.com. Yeah, this is like a demo project that anyone can use to like run their tests or performance stuff on. So I'll put that in here. Get rid of the trailing slash. I don't know what happens if you leave the trailing slash in, but I'm going to do it without the trailing slash. And select where to run those Nightwatch tests. Remote cloud service? Nope. We don't have that set up. I'm only going to do it on my machine, so I think that's what they mean by localhost. So let's just choose localhost. And anonymous usage, yeah, I'll let y'all do that. Make this better. Go for it. Now set up testing on mobile devices as well. Nope, we'll skip that because we didn't choose mobile earlier, so that's a weird question to ask now. So skip it. All right, doing these cool packages. I never know how to set up TypeScript, so having something else that sets up TypeScript on Nightwatch for me, heavenly. That is just so nice. Oh, and it's installing the web drivers too. So you used to have to do this on your own. So like everyone, myself included, we start to run a test and all of a sudden be like some big error message. And you're like, what's going on? It's like, oh, you know, you didn't install any of the drivers. So cool. What did it do? It gives you the instructions, cd to my first install. And then to run all my examples, npx, Nightwatch. Let's just run the single one. I don't want to run all the tests because it takes a second. So let's hear npm Nightwatch dot Nightwatch github.ts. Let's see what happens. Boom. Going to GitHub, doing some fun shit. There we go. Oh, nice. Cool. It's all set up. It launches. That is the easiest install I've ever done of Nightwatch. They have done an amazing job right here. So what I'm curious, I'm going to launch Visual Studio Code. I got the little shortcut installed here. I want to see what they put in this bad boy. All right, so what do we got? We got the logs, got Nightwatch itself, which is all the example files right here. Got our node modules, that's regular stuff. Test is a directory created. There's nothing in here, so none of our tests are in here. So this stuff, if you want to get rid of this, you're going to have to delete this Nightwatch directory, I'm going to guess. But, oh, there's that tsconfig. Oh, it's just for this. So you probably have to delete this directory to get rid of the example files, but I like them for right now, so we'll leave them. The Nightwatch config set up. Yeah, or yeah, you can actually just delete this Nightwatch folder right here and it won't run those Nightwatch tests. What else did it put in here? Yeah, it's got your launch URL right here. That's cool. Look over here. Screenshots are turned off. We got Chrome set as the default. Starts up the WebDriver. Firefox and Chrome are set up. Oh, cool. It's a very minimalistic. They used to have so many things in this config file that it was a little bit overwhelming and confusing, but now it's very minimal. So that's very cool. So what I'm really curious about here is, what did they put, what did they install? What is this stuff? Oh, very minimal as well. So you got, here's the type stuff for TypeScript. You got the latest Chrome driver, latest Firefox driver. Got Nightwatch. This is stuff for Node and TypeScript, these two bad boys. I forget what TS Node is for. I think this is the compiler for TypeScript. So like here's the TypeScript stuff, and TS Node is the compiler for Node for TypeScript to turn it into JavaScript in the background. So very cool, very minimal. All right, and yeah, and our scripts are not defined, so we'd have to do all that stuff ourselves if we want to do like any type of run specific test or anything from here. But that's cool though. All right, well, that's it for that. That was cool. That's the easiest install I've ever had with Nightwatch, and I am very impressed with what they did. You used to have to do all that stuff yourself. So it's very cool that they do it for you now, and oh man, all the features they have in there, I am really excited to dig into them. Probably going to do that in the next few videos. I wanted to get into page objects because I've never done a video on page objects, but I think I'm going to explore a couple of the new features before jumping into page objects. So look forward to that in the next few videos. I'm also working with Cypress, so I'll probably be having some Cypress videos here and there. Yeah, so just drop a comment if there's anything specific you want me to cover. I may or may not know how to do it, but I'd love to hear from you. All right, take care. Bye.